Yeah, I think we're fine. Some potential fuel leak, but can't see anything. So we'll get ready to go again. Only about 5 minutes away from the cafe that we're going to, so we can have a good check when we get there. It's the only thing with a Sunday ride, you tend to get loads of traffic. Sometimes try and get out really early in the morning, it's just a damn sight easier. There's my boy in front. We bought that bike from a dealer out in, I think it was out in Dis, near that way anyway, or no, Beccles, Dis. He's had that for 6 or 7 years, never missed a beat, not massively been serviced, it's been tracked, and honestly, it's been a dream. Rocker cover gasket went, changed that not long after he got it, but that has been an absolute dream bike. I mean, you know, no fault at all. I mean, I've always had Kawasaki's really, most of my life, Ninjas, and loved them, as I've said on one of my other videos, and you can't beat the reliability, I don't think. They are really, really good bikes. Anyway, we'll be at the cafe in a minute, so I'll just let you guys watch the ride. Yeah, he is actually, compared to what he used to be, he's bloody sensible actually, which is good, because he was a bit crazy, just like we all do, go for a crazy spell I suppose, but it's good to see that he's calmed down. Sam's still with us, the other two are dragging back a little bit, which is expected, being they're new riders. Police going the other way, either late for dinner or an incident. What do we reckon, guys? Isn't it weird, right? You watch how my son's riding now. He's got his elbow on the tank. Now, I used to ride like that all the time. It just shows you, doesn't it, how your children pick up on the things you do, the good and the bad. This is a bit of a boring road, A11 down to the Mildenhall roundabout, where we're going to we're going to stop in. I think I've never been here, but apparently there's a bit of a bikers stop down here, a bit of where all the bikers hang out. So it'd be good to see what bits of equipment are down here, and I'm sure there'll be some nice bikes, unless we're running a little bit late and they've gone off elsewhere, which is a possibility. A lot of guys like to get out early, as I'm sure you guys watching with bikes, you get too late in the day, you start to pick up on the traffic, so you like to get out and about early and get out and do a bit of riding and get home. Enjoy your afternoon. I'm hoping when I go to Scotland, went up there, done North Coast 500 last year, actually last May, but went in cars and the scenery is fantastic, so I'm hoping we cover some of them roads off, because I take my GoPro and obviously the helmet cam, Center Pro with me, and hopefully get some good footage so I can show you guys some good footage, some good roads that you should go and try out at some point if you're going to go riding up in Scotland. Even when I go to Scotland, we'll be trying to avoid roads like this. They're not going to be avoidable all the time, but we'll try and avoid them. It just gets a little bit boring just sitting on a straight road. It's when you put a few winds into a ride, it just makes it that little bit more exciting and enjoyable to do. A dangerous junction down here. Bloody lorries pulling out. Cars coming out, cars queuing up. So just about here now, literally second or third junction off of this roundabout. It's definitely a lot better than it used to be, when it used to be the single carriage A11 just after here. Now you can get to Snetterton, God, within minutes from here. Dual carriageway. That's new, not seen that before. Oh. I think we are here. Let's see what sort of bikes are here, if there's many bikes. Yeah, it looks like, oh my Jesus. Whoa, that is amazing. Look at these bikes. Absolutely fantastic. Anyway guys, gonna have a look around with some bikes and I'll catch up with you a bit later on.